I'm so sorry. You all know the color that you want to see now. Please allow me to be in a good shape to address anybody that I want to address. Please, I beg you. As you can see, I'm not that strong. Thank you so much.
This is Ishao TV and welcome to GH Trending News. Akuapem Poloo has spoken for the first time after she was released. She was granted bail. Now you can see Akuapem Poloo has been really hurt. She's broken down and Akuapem Poloo the pain you know no Charlie. She's really suffering. But the media wants to get some interview from her. It's very difficult. Please munja na on recover kakra. Challenge izo police for them miano. Osan say oba so timu manage na home kakra. Let's continue watching the video.
God bless you all for coming.
I received calls that I said she's out. She's not in the meeting. Nobody has seen her out. So the world believe that she's saying custody. So the world is meeting to tell the world that my client is out. Simple and TTR.
Hey, lawyer pan o couple of no e ka frafra sa no. Darling, lawyer dey say wo set example ma ye ne ya kan ye di echire ma wo. Simple and easy as saying. Charlie, just you have to speak the real English and leave this what do we call it? Broken English for the rest of the guys, you know. Let's continue watching the video.
No question. But I want to say, I'll tell you, I want to say that we address the press when she regain her strength. How to speak? You see, she has slimmed down.
Thank you all for being with us this evening. As you can see, this is Rosemont Brown, aka Akuapem Poloo. She is in our midst. She's out. She's a free person at the moment. Unfortunately, for days, she's not been able to eat well. It's even difficult for her to take anything. She's trying to pull herself up.
It's not easy. Oh. She's saying, I'll say, bear all this while, all these days, and if you have been pulling in the D, and you're saying it's so karate, no kata no, because and easy. The case are shocking, so are shocking the pan, was I celebrating, all eyes on you, a lot of eyeballs on you, so it's very difficult. So, she's broken down. She needs a psychologist. You know, in Ghana, after wako prison, nobody and I say, this stigmatization and how people will tag you, no, it's not easy. So I think she's also gonna need a psychologist because she's going through a lot at the moment. So the lawyer and the manager and also the people around her, they should try and get her a psychologist and give her some time to rest. But the media is trying to get Akuapem Poloo to speak. Let's continue watching the video.
And then hopefully maybe by tomorrow she's going to be in safe hands. She's going to be in good shape. And then possibly if there's any address of a sort, she'll grant whatever interviews that she needs to grant to them.
Yeah, you can see Akuapem Poloo she's suffering. So that she people will not capture her and then use it to troll her one day. So kata nim nyina dani enum guasie wo yenum guasie ne kra free honoma easy. She's going through a lot, you know, this the emotional pain that she's going through. Okay, physical pain here, police for me nyesha so mbe bona na so mbe be police station honum and as a sales honum, but this emotional pain now will go through. Okay, she's also a single mother, so she's going through a lot. And I understand why she's broken down. She's really hurt, and we should give her some time to recover, and we will enjoy Akuapem Poloo again. This is not the end, okay? I think it's going to open a lot of doors for Akuapem Poloo. Okay, the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. Akuapem Poloo, be strong because a lot of doors are going to open for you. Let's keep watching the video.
But then once you are here, there was also the need for us to present her to the rest of the world for you to see. So this is Akuapem Poloo, as you all can see.
Yeah.
Maybe we may allow her to say one word. Just to say hi. Thank you.
Yeah, she doesn't want to talk, but more for sona pija pija and some and mama. Yes, just leave her. But Ghana for yen tis animal when you nasi. You be for so yen ya adwin say you be more kasandi, you be more kasagana for. You so dinning. That's what did too much. If you have Polo as why is she? She's going through a lot. Please let her be. Oh, and was on this. I said, why no more pigeon at soya kola? But she's not a kid. All right, a single mom. She's old enough to raise up her hand and wave the people. But to our hey, and you will be a money and honor. Let's continue watching the video.
Thank you.
Thank
to all of
you.
you. No.
No, not yet. You don't. Yeah.
So God bless you all.
Hi, if you're in Polo, now that ninja no. This is amazing. It depends you, it depends you. She will come back even stronger. Let's continue watching and listen to Akuapem Poloo speaking.
We
For
thank
coming.
you. Coming this evening.
And then hopefully from tomorrow we'll stay in touch and then we'll move it from there. Thank you very much.
She'll come out very strong. She'll come very strong. We thank you for the media.
Exactly. She's gonna come back very strong. She's gonna if it doesn't kill you or break you, then it's gonna make you stronger. Okay, so Akuapem Poloo is gonna come back stronger, as the lawyer said, definitely.
For your free
Okay.
support, just
She
say
has
one
one
word.
word.
Yeah.
I'm so
We are friend on the State of the Nation address. The State of the Nation address upon Akuapem Poloo de Breyano.
sorry. You all know the color that you want to see now. Please allow me to be in a good shape to address anybody that I want to address. Please, I beg you. As you can see, I'm not that strong.
Yes, as we can see, we can see that you are not very strong. Okay, even if we don't see your face, you are going through a lot. So, police are somebody what's also a celebrity. Okay, so everybody will hear about you and a lot of eyeballs on you, and it's not easy. So you've even done well to come out to say something. Some people will even cry. Okay, so this is right from State of the Akuapem Poloo address. Let's continue listening to her.
Thank you so much.
God bless you all for coming.
Okay, so that is Akuapem Poloo for us. Akuapem Poloo has given us the State of the Nation address, and we hope that she will be fine and she'll come back stronger. This is not the end of the world. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing to the channel for more. Bye bye.